love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Hola amigos y amigas, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jackie and welcome. So hey guys, so baby is officially 1 month old, and I did tell you guys in my last video that I was going to do a little photo shoot, and I think today is the perfect day because he turns 1 month, and of course we want to record every little milestone, and I want to share that with you guys. So today I'm going to do his at-home little photo shoot. So I'm super excited. I have the stuff ready over there. If you guys want to see exactly what I bought item by item, make sure that you guys check out my last video. I have 3 different little outfits that I want to put on him, and it might be a little too much because he is more alert now. I think the sooner you do this type of newborn photo shoots, the better it is. If I do see that he gets a little bit frustrated and he's just not having it, I'm probably gonna have to postpone. But yeah guys, so I think I hear him. I think he's waking up, but let me show you guys what I put together so far. So I have some of the outfits over here already ready to go. So first guys, hang on, let me turn the light on. I put together this little prop and this little outfit. The baby is 1 month today, so I'm super excited to get him into this. And this is his little hat with a little onesie. Like I said, if you guys want to see in detail what I bought, where I bought it, you guys can go back to that video. But this is going to be my first photo, and then we're going to move on to this little outfit. Here we have the little bunnies and some carrots. Easter is around the corner, so might as well have a picture for then. I just want to do it now. That way I can get it all done today and not have to bother baby later for another photo shoot. And then I also have the moon. I have this little PJ outfit. I still haven't figured out how I'm gonna do the poses, but we'll work with baby as we go. So I'm going to use this table that's over here. And now I'm gonna go get baby and get him ready, get him in the outfit, and wish me luck, guys. Oh, how cute. I'm gonna feed him real quick and hopefully he falls asleep, and then we'll do some pictures.
love you.
So that was the first set of photos. I hope you guys liked them. Now I'm going to move on to the Easter ones. I decided to do this voiceover because I want baby to stay asleep. Hopefully we can get a few pictures of him in this basket and see how these turn out. So we finally got him into his other little outfit. This one is super cute. He's my little prince. So we're going to try to get some pictures with his cute little crown. Finally, for our last outfit, it will be this one where he will be in a little PJ, and I'm going to use this awesome little pillow. And let's get him dressed and see how these turn out.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. love you, I